What's going on, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about the parseInt method in the number object, or you can say the number constructor. What it does is you pass a string argument and it return you a integer of that specified radix base whatsoever. So for that, what we're gonna do is create a function and name it as something like a love scale. There is a method to do a love scale, so scale of scale, and pass the x, the radix and the base. If you don't know the math, it's not my fault. Please check it out. The formula you will easily find on the internet, and a parsed equals number dot parseInt method, the thing I'm talking about. So parseInt, and what we're gonna pass is x comma base, and what we're doing with that, we're gonna use a if statement for is that number not a number. So number dot is not a number. This is a function too, so passed. And if this happened, just return as usual 0. When we're done with that, what we're gonna do is return, if none of this, return passed and new 100. So everything is clear now. Just log it on a console, use the function what we created now, and pass arguments as x to be geo x f. It means something like, and the another what we're gonna pass is 16, so it will give you 105,000. And now we're gonna do something like play 21. It's totally DJ, so it's not gonna work, and pass to 0. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.